This is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're out driving our 78 F150, going about 55. See the fuel tank's got about a quarter on it. Temperature gauge just coming up. Pretty good driving old truck. Does got steering's got a little play in it, as you can see. So I suppose the sector's got a little wear to it, but it goes down the road nice as far as the suspension and everything. So probably just to be a really good driver, just probably needs a steering gear. Said cruises down the road nice. Had good power. The 4-speed manual transmission shifts good. Drive as you restore a truck, a good solid truck, good bones to start with. Just got some patina and stuff, so you can, use it as a work truck, farm truck, until you decide to restore it. These old 70s F150s are really starting to take off. So just like the square body Chevys. So they're hitting the brakes. They work good. So, any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.